Double-hung window installation in Fort Worth is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Our expert team specializes in double-hung windows Fort Worth, ensuring a seamless fit and superior performance. With our Fort Worth window replacement services, you can enjoy the benefits of energy-efficient windows that enhance your home's comfort and reduce energy costs. Energy-efficient double-hung windows Fort Worth are essential for maintaining a comfortable home environment while minimizing energy consumption. Our custom window solutions in Fort Worth are designed to meet your specific needs, providing optimal insulation and reducing your carbon footprint. Trust our window replacement experts in Fort Worth to handle all your residential window services with precision and care. Upgrade your home with window hardware upgrades in Fort Worth, enhancing both security and functionality. Our window sash replacement services in Fort Worth ensure smooth operation and longevity. For added comfort, consider our window insulation and window weatherproofing services in Fort Worth, which protect against the elements and reduce noise. Explore our wide range of window style options in Fort Worth to find the perfect match for your home's architecture. Our window consultation services in Fort Worth provide expert guidance on selecting the right windows for your needs. Accurate window measurement services in Fort Worth ensure a perfect fit, while our window design consultation in Fort Worth helps you achieve your desired aesthetic. Keep your windows looking their best with our window cleaning services in Fort Worth. We also offer window safety features in Fort Worth to protect your family and enhance security. Our window noise reduction solutions in Fort Worth create a peaceful indoor environment, while window UV protection in Fort Worth shields your interiors from harmful rays. Enjoy peace of mind with our window installation warranty in Fort Worth, covering any potential issues post-installation. Our window cost estimation in Fort Worth provides transparent pricing, ensuring you stay within budget. Read our window service reviews in Fort Worth to see why we're the preferred choice for homeowners seeking quality and reliability. Window replacement experts Fort Worth are here to address all your residential window services Fort Worth needs. From window maintenance Fort Worth to window frame replacement Fort Worth, we ensure your windows remain in top condition. Our window glass replacement Fort Worth and window sealing services Fort Worth enhance both safety and efficiency. For double-hung windows Fort Worth, our team is dedicated to delivering exceptional results. Our Fort Worth window replacement services are tailored to your needs, offering energy-efficient windows Fort Worth that enhance your home's value and comfort. Choose our custom window solutions Fort Worth for a personalized approach to window upgrades. Upgrade your home with window hardware upgrades Fort Worth and window sash replacement Fort Worth for improved functionality. Our window insulation Fort Worth and window weatherproofing Fort Worth services protect against the elements, ensuring a comfortable living space.